Okay guys, we got the package from R2. Package is from Bahana. You can see inside. We buy a wallet in the carousel. Yes, should be a Gucci wallet for the prices. I will show you after this, after I check the items. Okay, this is the boxes. Ooh. Okay, the box has a pattern like this. Made in Italy. Let's see inside. Voila. Indeed. Very nice. It's the wallet. This is the name tag or whatever. Oh, this is manual book. Sorry. Some I don't know what is this. It's like a nuts. Oh, this is purchasing proof, I think. Oh, the manual book still in there. You can see, oh, this is the paper inside this wallet. This is the paper bag. And what is this? It's like an envelope, but pattern Gucci. Oh, you can see this is the price tag, serial number, and the receipt. We buy in San Francisco. This is the receipt of Gucci, serial number, and this is the wallet. Okay, and you can see the serial number will be in here, but the real serial number is in here. Serial number should be same with this price tag. And as you can see, this is the condition. Let's see the market that we buy. They sell like this. You must be follow this guy. It's a nice rating, authentic products. And let's see. This is the chatting with him. You can check the real things, take photograph especially. Serial number. We done the transaction. I transfer, they sign it. This is it. Gucci wallet. Wow. From outside, show you that some defect in many ways. When it open, Gucci barcode is safe. Yeah, small defect in here, in here, like that. Okay, this is plain. plain. Card holder, serial number inside. Stiff adhesive of the outside. Gucci, made in Italy. Okay, so this is the authentic things, I think. This is the complete pack of Gucci wallet from San Francisco, actually. San Francisco, Market Street. Thank you for watching.